You need to change your oil. Maybe not right now, but you will. And even if your vehicle doesn't have a working oil life monitor, it's simple to see whether you're running low. Find the filler cap and dipstick on your engine. Filler cap has the details on what kind of oil your engine takes, and you'll need the dipstick to see the level. Remove the dipstick and wipe it clean, then insert for a moment and remove again. The dipstick has a series of marks indicating a safe oil level. Keeping up to date on your oil changes is one of the best ways to extend your engine life and in turn the life of your entire vehicle. If you have a warranty attached to said vehicle, you must do your oil changes on schedule or else it will be voided by the manufacturer. The oil in your engine serves a number of purposes including cooling, cleaning, lubricating, and protecting from corrosion. This is just another reason we encourage you to visit us so we can use factory suggested parts and oil during your service. You can book your service online at www.formulahonda.com or by calling 416-754-4555. We're conveniently located at 2240 Markham Road in Scarborough. Think of us for your next oil change and please drive safe.